Hello friends, how are you all of you? Today we will discuss about the area and perimeter. That is very important chapter for any competitive exam. Okay, so just I inform you that area. What is the area? Area is total space enclosed by the boundary of the plane figure. It's called area. Figure means we called in Odia chitra. Okay, so total space. If I told rectangle, that means this is the square. Okay, square is square. If I told what is the area in this square, what is the area? If this is a okay, this is the we already know that how you found the area. Okay, this is the a square. Okay, this is the what is this is the area of square. Okay, like this. So total space means in space, if a figure is enclosed by the boundary and in space you call area. Okay, so what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the length of border around any enclosed plane figure. Therefore sum of the sides of plane figure is called perimeter. Okay, if I take this perimeter, okay, this is the a this length of a. Okay, if I what is the perimeter of the square? This is the 4 into a equal to 4. We already known in class 9th, 7th, 4th, 5th. Okay, what is the area, what is the perimeter, all of you understand. And area is we measure what is the unit of area in square meter, square centimeter, etc. And perimeter of unit is perimeter unit of our centimeter meter. Okay, area perimeter, all of you understand this. Just I inform you, we learn uh, before class. Okay, next we go um, about the type of triangle and which triangle we can which the how can we make the how can we found the area and perimeter. Okay, next triangle is that a figure which have three sides and three angle is called triangle. This is the basic knowledge of us. What is the triangle, all of you know? A triangle is the type of three. Okay, ଆଉ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ right angle triangle ବି ଅଛି. Okay, ତ basically କ'ଣ generally equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. That means equilateral means which angle which triangle have three sides are equal. We told that equilateral triangle. What is the equilateral triangle? A triangle which three sides are equal and every angle is 60 degree or every angle is equal, we call equilateral triangle. How do we find the area of this? Root 3 by 4 a square. And how you find the height for 3 root 3 by 2 and perimeter is 3 into 8. A means side. Okay, and isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. What is the isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is a triangle which two sides are equal and another sides are not equal. Okay, in Untitled Odia Sammadvibahu Tribhuj. Okay, how to find the area? B by 4 root 4a square minus b square root root over and height a square minus b by 2 whole square and perimeter 2a into b. Okay, I just inform you that okay, and the scale triangle, that is all the sides are not equal, and okay, and maybe angle is not equal all. Okay, that's what how do we find the area? This S means semi perimeter, we know that semi perimeter a plus b plus c divided by 2, and at one side, at another side and another side, sum of the three sides, if you are divided by 2, we found that semi perimeter. Okay, skeleton triangle, we find the, how to find, you know that area, and perimeter also a plus b plus c, and there is the okay, and all of you know that scale triangle is a scale triangle and equilateral triangle. Next, the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, that means we call, we turn in Odia Samukhan Tribhuj. Okay, the right angle triangle. Okay, like this, you know that A B C. What is the right angle triangle? That's which triangle have 190 degree. Okay, we call right angle triangle. Or another angle is next angle. Okay, this is the, maybe this is the 90 degree, and A angle and B angle sum of the 90. Okay, 90 90 180. And another triangle is that you are know that if this is the right angle triangle, and these sides and this these sides if equal, which what is the name of this angle? This sorry, what is the name of this triangle? Okay, if this is the, this sides A, and also this sides A, this A, B and BC sides are equal, so that we called this triangle isosceles right triangle. We know that isosceles triangle, we know that isosceles, what is the isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is that if a triangle is two sides are equal to another side or not equal, like this AB and BC sides are equal, but here is not, this sides are not equal, but here is B angle is 90 degrees, so that we call that type of this triangle isosceles right triangle. Okay, just equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalar triangle. How to find the area, height, perimeter? We already discussed this. Okay, next we see that how to we found the isosceles right triangle of area half into a square, and perimeter a plus and d. D means hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. Okay, the hypotenuse to a plus d. Okay, how? Okay, understand this. And this is the very important things. uh, Carefully understand this. What the write this? Radius of an in circle of a equilateral triangle. Okay, this is the equilateral triangle of side if a is a by root 2 root 3 and area 5 a square by 12. 5 is the actually there is no value of 5, but this 5 value is by 22 divided by 7, but it is not actually a value of 5, but it is a nearest value of 5. Okay, and radius of in circle of an equilateral triangle of side if a will be radius a divided by root 3 and will be area 5 a square by divided by 3. Okay, next just imagine that in circle radius there is, in circle radius means if it is a o মানে o ରୁ e পর্যন্ত, o ରୁ e পর্যন্ত को कोन से रेडियस को कोन कहबा इन रेडियस, ताहले इट खोज कर इन सर्कल मन कोन ए जो भीतर ए हियर इज इन द ट्रायंगल, दिस इज द सर्कल, से खोज ओडिया रे से रेडियस ऑफ इन सर्कल एंड सर्कल, ताहले ई भीतर रो रेडियस केते हेबो जदी ए बाहु माने ए बाहु जदी ए हेतिबो, एटा होछ कोन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल भीतर अछि कि नै, जदी ए हुए ताले रेडियस केते हेबो a डिवाइड बाय 2 रूट 3 एंड एरिया केते हेबो पाई a स्क्वायर बाय 12. ओके, व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? इफ दिस इज द इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल and every side is a, how do we found that in this case in radius a divided by root 3 and this area will be 5 square by 12. Okay, and next radius of circum radius, here is right circum radius में कौन circum radius में कौन a टू एटा को circum radius बोले, अर्थात ए बाहर जिनसटा को एटा गोटे त्रिभुज ऊपर गोटे वृत्त चित्र अंकन कराई कि ताहले कोन हो, एटा होची ए बाहर जिनसटा होची कोन circum circle, आपको circum circle कह दे. ओके, आपको सर्कल कह जाए, ए भीतर टाको कोन कह जाए इन सर्कल कह जाए. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? इन द आउटसाइड ट्रायंगल ऑफ इन आउटसाइड we told circle and triangle in circle we told in circle. Okay, all of you understand here o and e we told that in radius and o to v we told the circum radius. All of you understand? I hope. How do you find this in this case radius and area? If you are not maybe not understand, you will be asked in. Okay, and I try to help you and understand you. ओके, तो कौन बुझला रेडियस ऑफ इन सर्कल रे केमती जदी ए जदी गुटे बाहु हेतिबो, अर्थात एटा जदी ए बाहु हेतिबो त हम कोन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल रो विषय पढुछु कि नै, ताहले एटा जदी ए हेतै एटा ए हेतै ताहले एटू रेडियस आ एटू रेडियस केमती बाहर करा जे एटा कि नै, एटा आ एरिया केमती हो 5 स्क्वायर 12 5 स्क्वायर 3. Okay, all of you understand this? I will provide you some question and you maybe try to do this and must be give me answer that question. Okay, so that sufficient for us today. Okay, thank you.